circumcision. One second, yes. Okay. While coming to the circumcision, how they are doing circumcision using clamp or device with regional dorsal penile ring block mentioned. Then what is the code? Circumcision using clamp or other device with regional dorsal penile ring block means what is the answer? Circumcision using clamp other device with regional dorsal penile ring block.
54150.
Okay. Yes, 54150 is the correct. Suppose if not using the block, circumcision using clamp or other device, but not using the block, regional dorsal penile ring block not used, then
With the modifier 52.
yes, 54150-52. So that one you have to know. Then repair of incomplete circumcision or recurrent circumcision or repeat circumcision, what is the code? Repair of incomplete, recurrent,
54163.
so yes, so that one you have to know 54163. If it is incomplete or recurrent or repeat. This modifier 52 when we have to use, that one we have to know. And what is modifier 63? What is modifier 63? What is modifier 50? Sorry, 63.
Procedure performed on infants less than 4 kgs.
Yes. Procedure performed to less than 4 kilogram of infants. So any procedure they are doing, we need to add modifier 63. So that is the modifier concept. But that concept is not applicable for the circumcision course. Do not append modifier 63 along with circumcision course. Okay. Then, so this one you have to know. Suppose circumcision they are doing surgical excision, circumcision by surgical excision, 25 days old patient. Surgical excision to the circumcision by surgical excision to the 25 days old patient. Yeah, tell me.
54160.
Yes. So surgical excision while going, you need to look the age 0 to 20 days or 29, 28 days or older, like that. So you have to look that. It's very important one. And what is the code for this? Repair of incomplete circumcision using clamp or other device with regional dorsal penile ring block. What is the answer? Yes, yes.
54163.
Okay. Yes, so that is correct code only. 54163 is the answer. So along with that, they will give the blocks code and all 6 series code. Don't code that. Okay. So you have to know clearly that. Okay. So next, the answer is 54163 alone. The next question. Cystoarthroscopy with the, what is this answer? Cystoscopy performed for examination of bladder and urethra. In that examination, physician identified abnormalities, then taking breast biopsy of ureter and urethral catheterization.
52007.
Then 1 code or 2 code? Others,
It's a single code.
okay, so 52007, only 1 code. This is the answer. This question also most repeated question. Okay, then next, cystohystroscopy with fulguration of bladder tumors. Three centimeter one, 4 centimeter one, and 7 centimeter one. What is the answer? So 3 centimeters, three tumor present, bladder tumor. 3 centimeter one, 4 centimeter one, 7 centimeter one.
It's 52235, then 52235 59, and 5224059.
Give your answers. Others. Okay. So here your answers, all people overall given that all answers wrong. So if multiple bladder tumor fulgurated, so 3 centimeter one, 4 centimeter one, if multiple bladder tumors fulgurated, go with the highest one. Go with highest centimeter means only 7 centimeter code only you have to take. So multiple bladder tumor fulgurated in one encounter. To that time we need to choose highest centimeter code. So then what is the answer now?
52240.
Please make the note. So if multiple bladder tumor fulgurated, go with the highest centimeter. Okay, please remember that. 52240 is the answer. So next, next one. Once again, guys, please wait 1 second.
Hello? हेलो। कोई है क्या?
है सर है।
अच्छा, क्योंकि सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है कुछ भी, मेरे को लगा सब लोग गए।
है सर है।
दिशा, पार्थ तुम्हाला वर्किंग आहे का आज?
हो आज वर्किंग आहे.
अच्छा.
तुझं पण वर्किंग आहे प्रियांका?
आहे पण माझे फक्त 35 चार्ट्स आहेत, तर मी थोडा वेळच बसेन संध्याकाळी.
सेम माझं पण.
आणि आज सकाळपासून VPN पण चालत नाही. सगळे बिचारे 6 वाजता बसायला गेले, सगळ्यांची बंबू लागली.
IT मेंटेनन्स चालू आहे सांगितलं ना मेल मध्ये.
मग कधीपासून? अरे 6 वाजता संपायला हवं होतं ते, अजून
6:30 ला
त्यांचं झालं
काहीतरी
नव्हतं.
होतं सकाळी. नाही 6:30 ला
नव्हतं
होतं.
झालं. गिरीशने मेल टाकलाय, पण आता काय माहिती, लोकांचे रॉस्टर चेंज करणार ना, पूर्ण दिवस त्यांचा त्याच्यातच जाणार अगं.
माझं पण फुल डे वर्किंग आहे आज.
What happened?
आयला.
Full day working day, huh? Okay. So I said this one you have to go. The next code is what is the code for that vinyl processes code? What is the code? This code, please go to that book. In book, please go to this code. In this one question, it is coming repeatedly. 54406. So while coming to the penile processes, you have to look carefully what they are doing. They are doing the insertion or removal or replacement, removal and replacement. So here you can see insertion of the penile processes. Here this is also insertion, and this one is removal. This is the repair. This is for removal and replacement. So you have to look in this what they done. Only insertion, removal or removal and replacement. And also you need to look this one inflatable or non-inflatable. If in question, if not mention anything, default is inflatable. Question not mention anything, default is inflatable. Okay. If not in non-inflatable mention, then only you have to go non-inflatable. Otherwise, if they mention inflatable, sorry, not mention anything, then default is inflatable. You can remember this in these 4 codes. Here, from this to from this, one in between one question it is coming. So based on that, correctly you can take. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then next one is double J stand placement with lithotripsy. What is the code?
52356.
52356. Yes, that is the correct answer. 52356. The next, renal abscess drainage. So this direct code only. Abscess drainage of the renal abscess you will get. Then injury to kidney repair. They are doing suturing the kidney. What is the code?
50500.
Yes. So 50500. That is the nephrorrhaphy they will ask in exam. They will ask like a nephrorrhaphy of kidney or injury happened to the kidney. That time putting suture, how will you report? So you have to go with the nephrorrhaphy kidney repair code. So 50500 is the correct answer. Okay. So
So I'm not able to see your screen.
what happened?
Not able to see your screen,
I shared screen.
but I'm not able to see.
Now,
Mhm.
no.
We
Remaining.
can see. Yes, sir, we can see your screen.
Happened. Once again, you can join, please.
Maybe my network issue, sir.
Now?
Maybe my network issue.
Oh, okay.
फिर से ज्वाइन करना पांडे.
Once again, if you are joining, you will get.
Okay, sir.
Now, one more question. I'm giving this maternity delivery concept related. This question is there repeatedly, it is coming in exam. Okay. Tell now what is the answer. Please give everyone, type your answers. I want this. Woman as carrying twins came to hospital for delivery. She underwent vaginal delivery. Baby A was born. Then MD looking into the B baby. The position of the B baby was complicated. So doctor decided to go for C-section. In C-section, B baby was born. Mother and both babies are fine. Mother and both babies are fine. Okay. So now answer how many codes? Hmm. Shweta, you can explain what is your. You can explain your answer. Why you given that?
Sir, I gave two codes for two babies, different codes.
Okay.
One baby was born vaginally, so I gave 5940 4110 because the doctor is saying the baby and the mother is fine, so he's giving a delivery care and after antepartum care. And for the other baby, the provider is performing C-section, so I give 59515.
Any okay. Sneka, why you given is your same answer? Okay. No, everyone is wrong. I need a correct answer. Everyone is wrong. What you given all answers wrong. No. Priyanka, where is your answer? What? Tell me. What is the answer? You can explain. Finance 622. No. No, no, no. Okay.
So
I
is
will.
it 59
Yes, yes. Yeah, tell me, tell me. Finance?
595514?
No, no, no. Okay, not an issue. I will explain now. But same question I given in last time also. Here, patient is having twins. Came to the hospital for delivery. They underwent for the vaginal delivery. In that, baby A was born. So A baby is delivered via vaginally. Then, then only once delivery happened, MD looking into the B baby. The position of the B baby was complicated. So this one, MD seeing B baby in when? Before delivery only is looking, right. Before delivery only is looking. So then it is for what care?
Yes.
What care?
Antepartum.
Antepartum care. Then B baby, they are moving into the C-section. There B baby was born. That born is delivery, right? After that,
Yes.
mother and both babies are fine. That is what care?
Postpartum
Postpartum.
care.
So B baby we have all the three care, correct? Antepartum, delivery, postpartum we have. Then A
Okay.
baby already we have delivery in first line, and last line mother and both babies are fine. So mother and both babies it is the postpartum care, correct? So A baby vaginal delivery postpartum, B baby all the three care. So 59510, 59410. 51 modifier. So first I'm giving for B baby code because it is having three care. Definitely that three care code is having more bill amount. So that's the reason I'm given first. 59510 as first, then 59410 second, and 51 modifier. So clear with this? See, please don't
Yes, sir.
forget same concept
Yes,
we are
sir.
explaining. Okay. So next we'll move to the next question. So this is the twin babies concept. Then patient is having spontaneous abortion. That time MD doing the medication administration. What is meant by medically treatment? What is meant by surgically treatment? What is meant by medically treatment? What is that
It
surgically
means,
treatment?
yeah, medically treatment means the doctor is giving some medication like oral pills and something. And in surgical treatment, the provider is performing a surgery to remove the baby for abortion.
What are the procedure name I said? If they are doing this thing, we can consider surgically like that.
DNC.
Okay. DNC. Okay.
Dilation,
Okay.
dilation, curate, and evacuation is surgical
Okay.
treatment.
Yes. Yes.
Medical treatment is administration of medication.
So you have to remember that. Now, surgically, here one question here given, right? In this, 1 second. So while coming here, medical treatment of spontaneous abortion. What is the code?
Sir, ENM code.
So what is the code range you will use?
991.
99201 to 99233.
It's 99201-233. Yes. Next one is surgically treatment of missed abortion, first trimester.
59820.
59820.
Sir, which kind of abortion?
Missed abortion.
Okay, then 59820.
Okay. So 59820. Suppose you put a second trimester, missed abortion, DNC, second trimester. You can go with the code first in that page, then you can look and tell.
59821.
59821. Okay, so next, spontaneous abortion with DNC.
21.
Spontaneous abortion with DNC. Spontaneous abortion with dilation and curettage.
Five 9812.
5981.
59. What is the correct answer?
812.
812.
Okay, 59. Okay, so next one, we have in this. What does that means? One question is coming repeatedly. One question: molar pregnancy with DNC. This is a repeated question. Molar pregnancy with dilation and curettage.
59851.
59851.
So can you repeat the question,
Molar,
please?
molar, MOLAR. Molar pregnancy with dilation and curettage. Got the code?
Sir, don't.
So you have to go with that answer is this one, 59870. So mole, it is the molar pregnancy. So uterine evacuation and curettage for evacuation and curettage for the Hydrate foam mold. This is the answer. Please make it note. You will get this question coming. You are going to write exam. Definitely you will get this question. So molar pregnancy with the evacuation and curettage, they are asking question. You can go with this answer 59870. Please make note if this question is coming last 2-3 weeks. Okay, so this is the repeated question. So next one we have surgical vaginectomy. So you can go this 57109. Please go to the book 57109. So vaginectomy, partial with removal of vaginal wall with removal of the paravaginal tissue. We will mention in that question vaginectomy along with this one pelvic lymphadenectomy with para-aortic lymph node. These are all they will mention. You can go correctly. So this code, it is the repeated question. Okay. So this is direct only. You can search. So next. What is the answer for this? Laparoscopic supracervical hysterectomy. Laparoscopic supracervical hysterectomy with ovaries and fallopian tube.
58544.
58544. 13th question. Anyone having different answer?
58542.
Yes, 58542. Yes, lapros here centimeter you can look how much gram, sorry, how much gram of uterus, 250 gram. So 58,
Yes, sir.
58, you said 400, 58, 400. No, that is not 58. 58542 is
58542.
42. Yes, yes. So laparoscopic supracervical surgical supracervical hysterectomy 250 gram or less with removal of ovaries and then this code. Okay. So you have to know this. Okay. The next we can take for the prostate biopsy incisional approach and postpartum, only postpartum care. What is the code? Please take these two questions. So what is the code for only delivery care? What is the code? Sorry, only postpartum care. Only postpartum care, what is the code? Only postpartum care, what is the code? Another one is prostate biopsy incisional approach. What is the code?
55700.
55700 or 705?
Yeah,
705.
7.5. Yeah, 7.5.
Okay. So that is for the 557 and 705 is the prostate biopsy incisional approach. Then next one is given for only
Which
the
delivery, cesarean or vaginal, sir?
which one? I'm asking for only
Next.
postpartum delivery. Sorry, postpartum care. Sorry, postpartum care. Only postpartum care I asked.
59430.
59430.
430.
Yes, that is correct answer. Okay. So next. So this much only we have in this 5 series. I will tell some other questions. 2 minutes. So molar pregnancy I said. Okay. Then another question is nephrostolithotomy with lithotripsy 3 centimeter. Nephrostolithotomy with lithotripsy 3 centimeter. Nephrostolithotomy with lithotripsy 3 centimeter.
Five zero zero eight one.
500, yes, correct. Please make it note that is. It is a repeated question. Nephrostolithotomy with lithotripsy 3 centimeter 50081. 50081 is the answer. Okay. Then another one. Now I said molar pregnancy. I said molar pregnancy code is what? Molar pregnancy with dilation and curettage or evacuation. What?
59870.
5
5870.
59870.
70.
Okay, 70. So that one you can remember. Okay, so this is for